It's time to announce the nominees for the DIY and Digital Railroads Viewers' Choice Awards. There are 9 total categories in this year's Viewers' Choice Awards. 8 of those will be voted on by you guys, plus a personal pick from me. Now, there are 3 to 5 nominees per category. This is because there were a couple of ties in the nominations. So let's get to it. Here are your nominees.
The nominees for Model Railroad Hobby Shop of the Year: Midwest Model Railroad, Train World and Trainland, Lombard Hobbies, Factory Direct Hobbies. The nominees for In-Scale Product of the Year: Scale Trains Rivet Counter EMD Jeep 30, Rapido Trains RDC, Blueford Shops Dented Gondolas, The Impossible Coupler, Broadway Limited Imports ES44 Heritage Units. The nominees for HO Scale Product of the Year: Scale Trains Rivet Counter EMD SD38-2, Bachmann Acela 2, Scale Trains Rivet Counter GE AC44C6M, Mud Creek Models HO Scale Kits. The nominees for Product of the Year in any category: Soundtracks Blunami, Model Signs from ScaleSigns.com, Pico Turnouts. The nominees for In-Scale Manufacturer of the Year: Micro Trains Line, Kato, Broadway Limited Imports, Scale Trains. The nominees for HO Scale Manufacturer of the Year: Atlas Model Railroad Company, Broadway Limited Imports, Scale Trains, Walthers. The nominees for Manufacturer of the Year in any category: AccuCraft, Mini Prints, Mud Creek Models. The nominees for Viewer Model Railroad of the Year: Rick Luck, Brett Elk, Matt Probst, Gary Gresham.
Congratulations to all the nominees. These were all picked by you guys, the viewers. Now, if you want to vote on that, there is a link in the description below, and a video announcing all of the winners will post on Friday, February 6th. So be on the lookout for that. And thank you also so much for watching and voting. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.